What if gravity, your only constant in life, suddenly stopped working? What if water climbed the sky, cars rolled uphill, and even your own body felt lighter than air? These are not stories. These places actually exist. Why does the Earth glitch like this? And what are scientists not telling us? Stay till the end and subscribe for more mind-bending mysteries. Number 7. Naneghat Reverse Waterfall. Deep in the western Ghats of Maharashtra sits a beautiful cliff pass called Naneghat. It is known for its historical caves, greenery, and trekking paths. But the most surprising thing you will find here is the strange reverse waterfall. Instead of falling downwards like every normal waterfall in the world, the water here seems to rise upward, almost as if the sky is pulling it in. This unusual sight has drawn countless visitors who come expecting a simple nature walk and end up witnessing something almost magical. The truth behind this backward waterfall is not a violation of gravity, but the powerful winds that travel between the mountains during the monsoon season. These winds push the falling water upward, creating the illusion that it is flowing into the air. The moment you stand near it, the mist hits your face, and you feel the force of nature in a whole new way. Even though science explains the trick, the feeling of watching water fly upward is unforgettable. People say you need to see it yourself to truly believe it. Number 6. Hoover Dam. On the border of Nevada and Arizona stands the massive Hoover Dam, one of the most impressive human constructions of the 20th century. Tourists who visit the site often try an unusual experiment. They pour a little water or drop a light object from the top, expecting it to fall straight down. Instead, the water seems to rise or float upward, moving against gravity in the strangest way. This surprising behavior has confused many visitors who cannot understand why something is going upward instead of falling. The reason behind this odd movement lies in the intense updraft created by the enormous wall of the dam. Because the Colorado River flows through a deep, narrow canyon, the wind pressure builds up and rises sharply. When you stand at the top, the upward wind is strong enough to push light objects back up. It feels like the laws of physics stop working for a moment. Even though scientists have an explanation, the experience still feels surreal, and that is what draws nearly 1 million visitors every year. Number 5. Magnetic Hill. In the high-altitude desert of Ladakh lies a stretch of road that has confused travelers for decades. It is called Magnetic Hill, and people say it is a place where gravity disappears. When a vehicle is placed in neutral on a specific section of the road, it begins to move upward instead of sliding downward. Tourists are shocked the first time they see their car climbing the slope as if pulled by a hidden force. Local legends suggest magnetic powers or supernatural influences, while others claim the mountains in the region contain strong minerals. However, scientists believe it is an optical illusion created by the surrounding landscape. The slope looks upward to the eyes, but the actual gradient goes downward. Still, the experience is so strong and so convincing that many visitors refuse to believe it is simply a trick of perspective. Coupled with the stunning mountain scenery and the crisp desert air, Magnetic Hill remains one of the most interesting travel stops in northern India. Number 4. Gravity Hill of Armenia. At the foot of Armenia's tallest mountain lies a spot where everyday rules of nature seem to rearrange themselves. Here, people have seen rivers flowing upward, cars moving against the slope, and objects rolling in the wrong direction. Even a short walk feels strange, because climbing uphill suddenly feels easier than walking down. Locals have witnessed this unusual behavior for many years, turning Gravity Hill into one of the country's most intriguing tourist sites. Just like many other similar hills around the world, scientists think this phenomenon is caused by visual illusions created by the natural landscape. The surrounding mountain angles confuse the human eye, making a downward slope appear upward. But standing there in person makes the explanation feel questionable, because everything around you behaves in a way your mind cannot fully understand. Whether it is an illusion or something deeper, the Armenian Gravity Hill continues to attract visitors searching for unusual experiences. Number 3. Rua do Amendoim. In Brazil, there is a steep road known as Rua do Amendoim, where cars left without brakes suddenly begin moving uphill. Drivers often get scared because they think their vehicle is being pulled by some unseen force. People living nearby talk about mysterious energies. underground minerals, and even magnetic fields. When travelers first witness their car rolling upward with surprising speed, they react with laughter, shock, or disbelief. Most experts believe the real reason is the way the road is shaped in the angle of the surrounding landscape. The trees, houses, and horizon line play tricks on the brain, making a downward slope appear upward. But even after hearing the explanation, many tourists still feel the phenomenon is too strong to be just a simple illusion. The strange movement of the vehicle makes Rua do Amendoim feel like a temporary escape from the rules of nature. It is an entertaining stop for anyone exploring the unique wonders of Brazil number 2, Hudson Bay area. Among all gravity-related mysteries, the Hudson Bay region in Canada stands in a category of its own. Unlike the other places that play with the mind, this area has genuinely weaker gravity, something that has been confirmed by scientists since the 1960s. People standing here might not feel dramatically lighter, but sensitive instruments show that the gravitational pull in this region is lower than the global average. This unusual quality has puzzled researchers for decades. Several theories have been proposed. Some scientists believe ancient glaciers once pressed down on the land, and even after melting, the slow rise of the ground is affecting the gravitational balance. Others think unusual geological structures beneath the surface might be responsible. Whatever the cause, the fact remains: gravity here is actually different. Unlike illusion-based spots around the world, the Hudson Bay mystery is rooted in real physics, making it one of the strangest natural anomalies on Earth. Number 1, the Oregon Vortex. Hidden in the forests of Gold Hill, Oregon, lies a small circular area where the impossible seems to happen every day. Known as the Oregon Vortex, this place has puzzled visitors for nearly a century. Balls roll uphill, brooms stand upright on their own, and people appear to grow taller or shorter depending on where they stand. Even animals behave differently, and some refuse to enter the vortex area entirely. The entire zone feels like it bends the normal flow of space and gravity. Native tribes once avoided this land, believing it was a place of unusual energy. In modern times, scientists and curious travelers have tried to understand the strange behavior seen here. Some think the tilted buildings cause illusions, while others say the magnetic field of the area is unusual. Regardless of the explanation, people who visit the Oregon Vortex often describe it as one of the strangest experiences of their lives. It is a reminder that our planet still holds mysteries we cannot easily explain. Conclusion: in a world where gravity is supposed to be absolute, these rare places remind us that the planet still holds secrets far beyond our understanding. Whether it's waterfalls climbing upward, cars rolling uphill, or entire regions where people feel strangely weightless, each location challenges what we think we know about nature. Some of these mysteries can be explained, others remain unanswered, but all of them spark the same feeling: curiosity. They remind us that Earth is still full of wonders waiting to be explored. And as long as such places exist, our sense of adventure will never fade.